Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to get shaders for Minecraft 1.2 1.7 on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Click the link in the description to download Iris shaders. Hit Download Universal JR to grab the installer. It starts instantly. Close Minecraft and the launcher, and make sure you've played 1.217 at least once. Double-click the Iris installer, pick 1.2 1.7, and click Install. If it won't open, get Java 21 from the link in the description and try again. Hit OK when done, then delete the installer. Go to the link in the description and select a shader you like, then click it. Choose version 1.2 1.6. It works for 1.2 1.7. Then hit Download to get the file. Launch the Minecraft launcher. Iris should show under Installations with Modded selected. Click Play and accept the prompt if it appears. In-game, start a single-player world. Press Escape. Go to Options, then Video Settings, and click Shader Packs. Drag a shader zip from your downloads into the window. Select it and hit Apply. Wait a sec, then done. Enjoy the stunning visuals. And that's it. You've successfully added shaders to Minecraft 1.2 1.7. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.